Hello and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Ashley. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cook a soft boiled egg in the air fryer, so let's just get into the video. There are so many different types of eggs, from soft boiled to hard boiled to scrambled to poached, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cook a soft boiled egg in the air fryer. When you have a disability, cooking things like eggs can be difficult. Me personally, I've only tried two different ways, cooking them as scrambled eggs in the microwave or doing it the regular way on the stove, and this has worked okay for me. But if, like me, you still struggle to use a regular stove to cook your eggs and you want to try something different, you can try cooking them in the air fryer as soft boiled eggs. Now, my mum found this out recently and showed it to me, and it's been working great. So I wanted to share it with you so that you know how to do it if you too have a disability and struggle to cook your eggs on a stovetop. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is set your air fryer to 120. This is because there are so many different settings on your air fryer, and you want to make sure that when you're cooking your eggs, because we're doing soft boiled eggs, they don't cook for too long or on the wrong setting. So set it to 120 to cook your soft boiled eggs. Next, you're going to want to take your eggs. I just have one egg left, so I'm just going to be cooking one egg, but usually you would cook two eggs if you like two eggs on toast. Then you're going to take your bread. Of course, you need bread to put the eggs on, or you could use muffins or whatever else you like to use, but I'm just going to use bread. Now you're going to set it for 10 minutes. And now you're just going to wait, and while you wait, take a bowl like this and you're going to fill it up with really cold water from the fridge. Now if you have actual ice, then put ice in it. If you don't, then just get like freezing cold water and put it in here. Once your egg is done, you're going to take a pair of these and you're going to take your egg out very carefully and stick it in the cold water. Now, once your egg is in the cold water, you're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes, just so that the shell can just really get soft. That way it's easier to peel off, and then you can obviously take the soft part out and put it on the bread. And while you wait for that to sit for 5 minutes, stick your piece of bread in the toaster. Now just take a plate, and you're going to put your toast on the plate, and then you're going to be really careful with your egg to put that on the toast. Now, once you're finished and you've cracked the egg and you've done everything and it's on your plate, you're then going to get like a fork or something just to mash it. And then once you're done, you can finish it off by just using your salt and pepper shakers. And there you go, here is the finished product. Thank you so much for watching another video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to smash it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if you liked it. And also don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!